It's not a train, it's not a tram, and it's not your average bus. The Brisbane Metro is a new breed of public transport, and it's right here behind me. It's designed for an inclusive and accessible future, and I'm going to take it for a spin. The Brisbane Metro is a new electric, high-capacity public transport system designed to make travel around Brisbane faster and more accessible.
We took a bus that was operating in small cities in France and Switzerland, brought it over to Australia, upgraded it to be the most accessible bus in the world, to try and build out capacity on our bus network to cater for the growth that is occurring in Brisbane and to deliver transport for the 2032 Olympic and Paralympic Games.
Councillor Ryan Murphy, he's Brisbane City Council's Transport Chair, and he says this vehicle is the most accessible form of public transport in the world.
We know that people with disabilities will often avoid using public transport because they don't experience it in the way that the rest of us do, and they find it challenging to move around our network. We think a network that isn't for everyone is not a great network, and we've set about changing it.
The assisted boarding feature, it's pretty impressive. The Metro lowers itself towards the ground and automatically deploys a ramp, making it easy for passengers with mobility devices, such as myself, to board independently.
We've got 3 mobility bays to choose from, and this is class leading for a bus. In most buses, there's 1, but in the Metro, there's 3. These seats will flip up, and then the mobility device or wheelchair will go in there, and the passenger will be quite safe and secure. There's also anti-slip coating and high visibility paint on the floor, so people know where to go.
Caution, wheelchair ramp is moving.
There's lots of space to move around in my wheelchair, the floor feels really grippy, and it's a smooth ride. The Metro goes further with features that support those with hearing or visual impairments. There are next stop audio announcements,
now approaching Breanna,
hearing loops, dynamic route displays, and USB ports, all placed strategically to be visible from mobility bays.
Everything from the colours that we've used in the seats to the colours of the handrails has been considered for people with vision impairment to be a high contrast and really easily accessible. It shows our commitment to make sure that public transport in Brisbane is the most accessible anywhere in the country.
The new Metro system doesn't just meet the standards, it exceeds them, making it possible for people with all abilities to travel confidently and as independently as possible.
Hi, I'm MC Wheels, one of the hosts of AbiliTV, a program full of inspiring stories and incredible talents, all brought to you by a dedicated team of individuals with disabilities. If you like our content, hit subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're the first to know when we upload. And don't forget to check out our other videos.